Hi guys, welcome to Little Train 2019 internship in Thailand. And we're visiting SCG, the oldest and the largest construction building company in Thailand.
And today we're learning about sustainable development and corporate social responsibility and startup fundraising.
We have to tour around in the green building. Let's go.
I like garden in front of the building, and when you come, it feel relaxed, and I feel cool and have a new innovation that I ever seen before.
Today is a great day for me to visit the SCG Company, and the presentation was very delivered in a very good way that we could understand more about the SCG business, and also I have learned many things from the presentation, especially related to the environmental protections and sustainability that all the businesses should apply.
Hey, day for a wrap. See you on tomorrow. Bye.
Bye bye.